Okay, so today we are going to launch my YouTube channel with Triple Peak Media, and I'm going to show you how to launch a YouTube channel. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account already, you can create one really easily. Just go to gmail.com and create an account. If you do, you can also go to gmail.com, or you can just go to youtube.com and log in. And that's what I did here. I went to youtube.com, I clicked login, it took me to this screen that says continue to YouTube, and then you have to enter your Gmail email address. So I created a Google Business Gmail email, so you can either do that or you can have one that's just something at Gmail, and that will be where you create your YouTube channel from. So after you do that, you log in, and we're just going to go through the steps, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create your YouTube channel. So I don't really have anything set up here. We're going to kind of walk through it. So this is your main page here. Over here on the left, you see my channel. That's basically your videos and your stuff. So I have nothing here for my business. So the first thing you're going to want to do is change these things. So I'm going to change this. It says this comes from your Google account, and it might take a few minutes. So I believe I've tried to change this before and it doesn't work correctly. I'm going to try it one more time and see if I can get it to work correctly this time. Sometimes it saves. Yeah, see, it says there's a problem with changing your photo. So I'm not sure. I'm going to have to talk to Google and see what the problem is. Hopefully, if you're doing it on a different browser, there won't be a problem for you, but for some reason I can't get that changed. Also, the same thing with channel art. You just add here any photo that you want. Let me go here, I think. I don't have any photos. Alright, we're going to upload a photo here. I just put a few in here to see if something will work. So you just choose any photo from your files on your computer and you upload it. You can see here what you're going to see based on which device that people are using, so you can adjust that if I want it to be more up here or however I want it to be, and then you can select, and that will be your thing if it loads for you. Okay, it did load for me now. I mean, obviously this isn't the world's best picture for this, but we can add other photos in. For now, I just want to go through and show you guys how to set it up really quickly. So basically you add in here, you can add your description, Triple Peak Media, and I actually have an About Me on my website already, so if you do that, you can use that. So I'm just going to go to my website and I'm going to find my About Me page and just copy the information from it so that I can have something in there. It's always good for search engine optimization if you have something in there. So I always want to take a little bit here. This doesn't exactly tell what I'm doing. How about this one? Even though it's all caps, which I'll change later so it doesn't seem like I'm yelling at people, we'll save it in here for now. Okay, so you have something in there, you want to put in some keywords that you really like and are trying to focus on for Google. And then here it's telling you that you do not have any videos. So you can also go in and change your video name, but actually let's go in there first so that I don't. So here there's a bunch of privacy settings. You can change these based on your wishes, and then you can also change the layout so that you can put your different videos into different sections and playlists. So as you build content, you can do some really cool things. For now, you don't really have to do that. The basic thing I want you to do, go up here to your logo and go to this YouTube settings gear. And under here we have, I really want to find the name, your channel name. So here is my email, standard account settings. Let's see what's under here, because I really want to get to the section where we can find your channel name. Let's look under this additional features. custom URL. That's what I really want. So right now when you first start a YouTube channel, you're not eligible to have a custom URL. Usually you have to have a certain number of videos or different things. So here's the eligibility requirements. You have to have 100 or more subscribers. You have to be at least 30 days old. You have to have an uploaded photo as an icon, and you have to have some channel art. So basically you just need to go through those things that we just did and make sure they work for you. I'll try them on my other browser and see if I can get that going. But then you can change this to basically say youtube.com/channel/ whatever you want it to be, which what I'm gonna obviously pick is Triple Peak Media. So it gives you all the directions right here on how to set this up. Exactly what we just did. You choose it, you confirm your choice, and then it'll say youtube.com/Triple Peak Media, and that's what will actually go to my YouTube channel instead of having channel/ blah 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 numbers and letters. So definitely do that. That's definitely one of the things. You can do all sorts of things here. You can monetize your video. You can have upload videos longer than 15 minutes. We can do all sorts of stuff. We don't have custom thumbnails. There's also limitations on that, but for now, as long as you're getting your content up, that's all that matters right now. And then once you get, I would say 10 or 20 videos up, and you know, it's been 30 days and you have the good photos that you want and you're kind of used to how it goes, then it's a lot easier to go in, and all of these ones that are, you know, say not enabled, those will get enabled as you go and as you learn things. So come back in here and check it out. You can go to your upload defaults. This is another really great thing to do. You can always have your things on public. That's what I recommend. You can already have your I'm gonna say this is film and animation. You can have your category in there, standard YouTube license. The title I wouldn't necessarily put in there, but this is really important. In the description, you always want to say, for more information, please visit, and then your website. That way people know exactly how to get there, and you don't have to type it in. You can also follow us on twitter.com. You can put all your social media in here, and then every time you post a video, all you have to do is type the description, and this stuff will already automatically be in there. So it's really easy. Same thing with tags. This is like the greatest thing ever because you can sit forever and add tags all day. So I'm just going to add a few in here of things that people would, you know, tag their videos. Okay. So once you have all of the ones that you can think of in there, I always allow comments, let people select the rating, just do all the things here that you think are necessary for your video. So once you have that saved, you can also do featured content, you can do more branding, there's so many other things, but these are the basic things you can do to set it up before you upload your video so that you'll basically see how it's going to work. So you can either go to dashboard or back to video manager. Let's go to dashboard just so you can see what it's like. Here's your videos, this is where they'll be, how many viewers you've had, all this stuff. So we're going to go to the video manager. There's no videos in here, and we're going to upload our first video. So the first video I always think that you should upload is about your business. Explain to people what your business does, who you are, and if it gets longer than 5 or 10 minutes, separate it into 2 or 3 different videos if you want, about different sections of who you are, how you help, things like that. So we're going to click this button here, upload. It's always here at the top. You can always find it, see? Right here, you can just click on this big arrow right here, or you can drag your file in. I have mine in my desktop, but I'm going to click here so you can see. Then you just find it on your desktop wherever you go, and you just put it in there. So then you can see the information that we put in there is already saved here. I do have some notes here on I'm not going to copy that because I already put it in there, so that's good. We're going to just, oops, we don't want to delete it. We're going to add this to it, and we're going to put our title in. Okay, so you have the title, you have the description, which is already down there. You have your tags. I might add in a few more that are specific to this video if you're talking about a specific topic. For me, this is content creation. This video is about social media, and this video is about search engine optimization. So I can add those things in there, so if people are searching for them, those are really great. Also here, these are really great to do. You can click through to your Twitter and you can add in a message here, and this is really awesome. So you can go here, it should log me right into Twitter. I'm into my lifestyle one right now, so let's log out of there and we will log into the correct one. And then usually it connects and it's wonderful. Okay, here we go. So you authorize it, takes you right back here. So you basically are going to, I'm going to try this again because now it's connected to my correct account. Okay, so now you can see it's my correct logo. I'm going to authorize it and it should take you right back to here. If you don't have more than one Twitter, that's the process. If you do, it'll be more confusing like it was for me. So what I normally do to make it really easy is I just copy the title and I put a message on Twitter that says video and then I paste it. You can also say new video today or anything that you want, episode 1, whatever you want to put there, and this will automatically tweet when you load your video. So, and then the other thing I do, so I loaded in my tags, my title, my description, everything on this page. You can add it to a playlist if you want, but I wouldn't worry about that until you get more videos. So go to advanced recording date. I just always click on today as if I created this video today, even though I may not have actually created it, but this is the date I'm going to say it's live. All my other things in here are already automatically saved, so I'm good on that, and that's all I'm gonna do. So the video thumbnails are not gonna be available for this video since my account's brand new, but I'll show you when I update new videos here, I'll show you exactly how I do that. So the next video I'm gonna upload is this video that I'm recording now of how to upload a video on YouTube. So that video you'll see up there in my next video, and I'll add a few more. So let me know, comment if you have any questions at all. I hope this was easy for you to walk through. Once you're done with your video, you just click publish, and then everything saves and it's great. And then once it's actually done, it will give you a link. It actually gives it to you here. And you can copy this and you can paste it on anything else, on Twitter, on your website. You can email it to people and say, check out my new video. You can also embed your video. So once this saves, a thing will pop up and it will say you can share it to all these different networks, and you can also embed it, and there's an embed code. So if your website takes an embed code, you can copy that really easily and just paste it onto your website. So if you have any questions, let me know, comment on the video, and I'd be happy to answer them, and I hope that we can talk soon, and I will get my icon fixed so you guys can see how that works, and I can't wait to make another video.